Here's how you can create a Windows 7 bootable drive to install Windows. Hi there, let's get right into it. Download Rufus from the link below. Once you are done with the installation, open Rufus and make sure you have connected a USB drive to your computer. Rufus is a free software that helps you to create bootable drives. You should have Windows 7 ISO file to create a bootable USB. If you have multiple devices connected, then under Device, make sure to select the correct USB to be used as a bootable drive. Under Boot Selection, select the ISO file. Image option, leave it standard Windows installation. Partition scheme is very important for Windows 7. You should select MBR target system, will update automatically. We will not change anything under Format option. Now click on Start. Make sure you have backed up your data because this process will format your USB to enable it to work as a bootable drive. Once the ISO files are extracted in this drive, you will see the green bar will show ready. At this stage, your drive is ready and you can connect it to any machine to install Windows. Alright guys, this was the overall process on how you can create a bootable drive for your Windows installation. Hope this video helps you. If so, then give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Talk to you next one.